Today we're going to do a walk around of our Texas Pride 7x20 foot bumper pull 20,000 pound Lowboy equipment trailer. Now, Lowboy style trailer simply means that the deck is down in between the wheels for a lower ride height. Our Lowboy equipment trailers are available in lengths from 14 feet all the way up to 30 feet. So let's start at the front and work our way around to the back. Up front, we have a forged 4-hole adjustable coupler that allows you to adjust the coupler height of your trailer to your truck evenly to ensure that your trailer rides level going down the road. Behind the coupler, we have a heavy 8-inch channel tongue. Now, others in the industry use a lighter 6-inch channel, but we feel that the 8-inch channel provides better strength and stability. The 8-inch channel tongue wraps all the way to the axle and is welded to the first part of the suspension for maximum mainframe support. Every Texas Pride trailer features all DOT required safety equipment such as heavy-duty safety chains, emergency breakaway switch, and more reflective tape than you'll find on most other trailers. Next, we have a standard 12,000 pound drop leg jack that is spring loaded. Now, most other trailers have a much lighter jack on them, but we feature one of the heaviest jacks that you can find on a trailer of this size. The spare tire mount is also located in front of the jack and is easily accessible. The trailer also comes with a standard 7-way electrical plug with all of the wiring on the trailer modular and sealed to ensure years of trouble-free use. Walking around to the side of the trailer, we have a heavy 5-inch channel mainframe on models up to 20 feet in length. Lengths over 20 feet come with a heavier 8-inch channel frame. The top rails of the trailer are 3-inch by 3-inch heavy gauge tubing, and the side rails are about 15 inches in height. On the side of the frame, we have stake pockets in between each upright, securing your load from almost every point on the trailer, and it comes standard on these models. The cross members are 3-inch channel iron on 16-inch centers under the deck. Now, some trailers this size use angle iron for the cross members, and they put them on a wider spacing. But we feel there should be plenty of support for varying loads. The decking on the trailer is pressure-treated lumber and is fully screwed down to the frame. There's also an option for an upgrade to diamond plate flooring as well. The inside measurement of the deck between the fenders is going to be about 80 inches wide. The overall width of the trailer from outside to outside will be 102 inches wide. Another nice standard feature on this trailer are the heavy gauge reinforced diamond plate fenders, heavy enough that you can stand on. We also added plated fender steps on the fenders for easier and safer access to the deck. For running gear, this trailer comes standard with 2 heavy-duty 9,000 pound 8-lug axles with brakes on all 4 wheels standard. If you get into a slippery situation, you want all the braking power you can get. Now, one highly important standard feature on these axles is the convenient built-in lubrication system. To fill or top off the central grease reservoirs, you simply pop the center cap in the hub and fit the grease gun over the Zerk fitting and fill. Simple and convenient. And where the rubber meets the road is going to be 4 17.5-inch premium radial 18-ply tires mounted on 8-hole high-grade steel wheels for maximum stopping power. There's also an option for a spare tire and wheel mounted on the front of the trailer. As we walk to the back of the trailer, we come to the standard 5-foot heavy-duty steel ramps, which are available in your choice of either slide in or stand up. We also offer aluminum ramps as an optional upgrade, which are just as strong as steel, but only half the weight. The paint and finish on the trailer are nothing less than top notch. The process starts with a full media blasting to remove any surface rust or scale. Then each trailer is fully primed top to bottom in preparation for the 2 coats of automotive grade acrylic enamel paint, all of which is done in our new state-of-the-art paint facility. This ensures that you have protective, durable, and shiny finish for years to come. The last thing we want to mention is that lifetime LED lighting is standard for all Texas Pride models. All lighting is either recessed or still encased to protect them from accidents and the elements. If you have any more questions about this trailer, please feel free to give our friendly staff at Texas Pride a call. We'd like to thank you for taking the time to look at our Texas Pride 20,000 pound bumper pull Lowboy equipment trailer.